Hello, everyone. Today, I will show you MSAgent character called Arthur. Yes, he is a friendly dog on MSAgent World. Also, he barks on bad users. Arthur, clap, clap, clap. Come in.
Oh, hello there. I'm Arthur the dog. I also am a friendly dog on MSAgent World.
Hi there, Arthur. Wait a minute, who is that? That's Arthur. He is so ugly.
Hey, I'm not ugly, you idiot.
Arthur is right. You should get out of here. And besides, you stiscrewed on United World. Hey, I did not stiscrew on United World. Yes, you did. Admit it now. No, I will never admit it.
That's it, Jekyll Martinez T. Take this.
Ooh. Oh, my ears. Thanks a lot. I moved here because of you guys. Okay, now that Jekyll Martinez T is gone, shall we have a sleepover on PM Green's house?
Okay.
Achoo!